For homeowners in Green Cove Springs, maintaining a comfortable, efficient, and secure home is a top priority. One improvement that often goes overlooked but delivers lasting benefits is quality window installation. While it's tempting to cut corners or opt for the lowest upfront cost, investing in premium windows and professional installation pays off in ways that go far beyond aesthetics. From improving energy efficiency to enhancing property value and comfort, quality window installation is a smart long-term investment that continues to deliver returns year after year. Energy efficiency that saves you money in Green Cove Springs, where warm, humid summers can drive up cooling costs. Poorly sealed or outdated windows can have a big impact on your energy bills. Older windows often allow heat to seep in during the summer and leak warmth during cooler months, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. With professionally installed, energy-efficient windows, you can significantly reduce energy loss. Modern windows use advanced technologies such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas insulation to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Proper installation ensures a perfect seal, preventing air leaks and moisture intrusion. Over time, these improvements lead to noticeable energy savings, helping your investment pay for itself through lower monthly utility bills. Enhanced home comfort year-round. One of the most immediate benefits of quality window installation is improved comfort. Professionally fitted windows eliminate drafts and hot spots, ensuring even temperatures throughout your home. In the humid climate of Green Cove Springs, high-quality windows also help regulate indoor moisture levels, reducing condensation and preventing mold or mildew growth. This not only protects your home's interior but also promotes better indoor air quality for your family. Additionally, noise-reducing glass and insulated frames can make your home quieter, blocking out the sounds of traffic, neighbors, or nearby activity, turning your home into a peaceful retreat. Durability that withstands Florida's climate. Florida weather can be tough on building materials. Constant sun exposure, humidity, and occasional severe storms can take a toll on windows that aren't built or installed to last. By investing in high-quality materials and professional installation, you ensure your windows can handle the demands of the Green Cove Springs climate. Premium windows with UV-resistant coatings protect against fading and warping, while impact-resistant glass options can provide added protection against flying debris during storms. When installed correctly, these windows maintain their structural integrity for decades, reducing the need for frequent repairs or premature replacements. Increased home value and curb appeal. Quality window installation doesn't just improve your home's performance, it enhances its appearance and overall market value. Stylish, well-fitted windows give your property a polished look that boosts curb appeal. Prospective buyers appreciate homes with energy-efficient, low-maintenance windows, often viewing them as a sign of quality craftsmanship and long-term savings. This can make your home stand out in Green Cove Springs' real estate market and increase resale value when it's time to sell. Simply put, investing in new windows isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's a financial decision that adds equity to your home. Protection and peace of mind. Old or poorly installed windows can become a safety concern. Loose frames or brittle glass can make your home more vulnerable to break-ins or storm damage. Modern windows are built with reinforced locking systems and impact-rated glass, giving you greater security and peace of mind. Professionally installed windows ensure these features work as intended, providing maximum protection for your family and belongings. With the right installation, you'll feel confident knowing your home is well guarded against both natural elements and potential intruders. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the highest quality windows can underperform if installed improperly. Gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can lead to energy loss, leaks, and reduced lifespan. That's why choosing an experienced, local installer in Green Cove Springs is essential. Local professionals understand the region's weather patterns, building codes, and architectural styles. They ensure precise installation tailored to your home's specific needs, maximizing both performance and longevity. Final thoughts: investing in quality window installation is one of the smartest upgrades a Green Cove Springs homeowner can make. Beyond the immediate improvements in comfort and aesthetics, it provides long-term value through energy savings, durability, and increased property worth. When you choose premium windows and trusted local installers, you're not just enhancing your home, you're securing decades of comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. In the long run, quality window installation isn't an expense, it's a wise investment in your home's future.